Let us talk about previews and deprecations in Java 17. In Java 17, we got many previews and deprecations. Let's first talk about preview and incubator features in Java 17. Our first feature is pattern matching for switch statement. It is a preview feature. In Java 16, we got pattern matching for instance, which helped in eliminating the need for explicit cast after instance of checks. Same new addition happened with switch statement in Java 17 also. Here's one example for pattern matching in switch. Here we are combining case and if block in a single statement. Most important note here is for default, we need to keep one empty block since we want to work for string and integer block only. Also, if we want to return something from switch, here is another example. In this example, default case must return a value or throws an exception, otherwise return value will become undefined. This feature is expected to reach production ready by Java 19. Our next feature is an incubator feature, that is foreign function and memory API. Since beginning of Java, we have Java native interface which helps to call native C code from Java. But it is highly complex when we implement it and slow during execution. In Project Panama, we got some replacement with simple implementation and high performance. Under this, in Java 14, 15, 16, we got foreign memory access API. In Java 16, we got foreign linker API. With Java 17, it is proposed to combine these two single into foreign function and memory API. It is still in incubator stage and may go under significant changes with newer Java releases. Next, we have Vector API. It is an incubator feature and this one is the second incubator feature. Vector API is not about old Java vector class. It is a new API which helps in mapping mathematical vector computation to modern CPU architecture within single instruction multiple data support. In Java 17, we got more support for this like performance improvement and extension of character class support. Previously, it has support for byte, short, integer, long, float, and double classes only. Next, let's talk about some deprecation in Java 17. First deprecation is happening for applet API. Java applets are no longer supported by any modern web browser and it is already marked deprecated in Java 9. In Java 17, it is marked for deprecated for removal. It means it will be removed permanently in newer version after Java 17. Next deprecation is happening for security manager feature. This feature is introduced in Java version 1.0 and it helps in protecting the computer and user data from downloaded Java applets. Security Manager also denied access to resources like the file system or the network, and it also secure applications via policy files. Example are Elasticsearch and Tomcat. Now, if Java applets will be removed, so a security manager will become irrelevant and will be deprecated for removal. Next is removal of RMI activation. RMI, that is remote method invocation, is used for invoking methods on remote objects or we can say on another JVM. RMI is relatively complex and give heavy maintenance cost and mostly it is virtually unused. It was marked deprecated in Java 15 and will be removed in Java 17 completely. Last is removal of AOT and JIT compiler. In Java 9, Graal was added to JDK as an experimental ahead of time compiler. In Java 9, Graal was added to JDK as an experimental ahead of time compiler. In Java 10, it is converted into just-in-time compiler. But due to less usage and heavy maintenance costs, Graal is removed completely from Java 17. Java level JVM compiler still exists and not removed. It is used to integrate Graal and can be used if needed with the help of Graal VM Java distribution. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.